Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about sequence, series and the progressions and their types. What is a sequence? If we see the meaning of the word sequence in English, that is arranging something in an order. The same way in mathematics also we can define a sequence. A sequence can be said to be an arrangement of the numbers in an order. An arrangement of numbers in an order is a sequence. For example, suppose we say 1, 2, 4, 7, 11 and so on. We can also define a sequence as a function. How we can define it as a function? We can write if f is a function from n to a, where a is a non-empty set. Defined as Fn is equal to An. For every n belonging to n and An belongs to A is a sequence. We can write it as A1, A2, A3 are the terms of a sequence. It means the elements of a sequence are known as the terms. If the sequence is defined from n to r, then it is a real sequence. And if this sequence is from n to c, where c is the set of complex numbers, then it is a complex sequence we call. An is said to be its general term. An is the general term of a sequence. Now, how to find a sequence if its general term is given to you? Suppose it is given An is equal to 2n plus 3, and we have to find out the sequence, or we say only first 4 terms of the sequence we want to find out. We'll put the values of n as 1, 2, 3, 4 and we can find out the terms. So we can write here A1 will be equal to 2 into 1 plus 3, that is 5. A2 will be equal to 2 into 2 plus 3, that is 7. A3 will be 2 into 3 plus 3, that is 9. A4 is 2 into 4 plus 3, that is 11. And therefore, we can write the sequence is 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Now, what is a series? When we talk about series, we say if A1, A2, A3, A4 is a sequence, then A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is a series. So, if we use a sign of plus between the terms of a sequence, it forms a series. Now, the types of series. Finite series. If the number of terms in a series are finite, then it is a finite series. So, to remember, we can write if the number of terms is finite. For example, it is 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10. There are only 4 terms, so it is a finite series. Infinite series. If the number of terms in a series are infinite, then it is infinite series. So we write the number of terms is infinite. For example, we can write 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus so on, it continues. So it is an infinite series. What is a progression? Let's learn about progression now. Actually, every progression is a sequence, but every sequence is not a progression. So what type of sequences are progressions? Actually, a sequence whose all the terms follow a particular rule. A sequence in which the terms follow a particular rule. Is a progression. For example, suppose we have 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on we are finding. So what we find, the particular rule is followed. Every term is being added by 2 to get the next term. So we are adding 2 here. This is the rule. Adding 2. The second one we have, suppose we have 2, 6, 18, 54 and so on. What we find in this? We are finding that every term is being multiplied by 3. So we write here multiplying 3, we are getting the terms of the sequence. So like this we can define a progression, that it's all the terms are following a particular rule. Now what about types of progression? When we talk about types, generally we have some of the types of them. Number 1, we have arithmetic progression. That is known as AP in short. Second, we have geometric progression. It is generally represented by GP in short. Number 3, we have harmonic progression, which in short we write as HP. And number 4 is arithmetico geometric progression, which in short we write as AGP. About all these types of the progressions we will be learning in the next coming videos. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.